There are different ways of solving this exponential equation, okay? So in this video, I'm going to use logarithm equation to solve it. And for our logarithm rule, you know that whenever you have a log, we have log number, let me say any random number here, base, okay, is equal to what? Exponent, okay? Now, having understood this particular relationship, you can use it to solve this exponential equation, okay? Definitely, I'm going to write log here. The number here, the number in this equation is what? Is 5, okay? The base, definitely 3 is the base, while the exponent in this context is what? Is x. So punch into your calculator, look for log 5 base 3, okay? Okay, you have 1.465, okay? So our s is what? 1.465. This is the answer to this simple exponential equation.